Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Hopepe Full HD Web Camera. On the front of the package, we can see an illustration of the product in the middle with the words Web Camera Full HD 1080p on the top, and at the bottom we can see that it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP and Mac OS X. On the bottom, on the right hand side and on the left hand side, we can see the branding Web Camera Full HD 1080p once again, and on the top we can see 6 of the salient features. Let's go through them one by one. It has a wide angle lens, it has a built-in microphone, it can shoot at HD 1080p, it has auto white balance, it can be used for video chatting and conferencing. On the back of the box, we can see some of the technical specifications. It has a video calling feature at Full HD 1080p, and it can also video record at Full HD 1080p. It has a built-in noise isolating microphone, and it has automatic low light correction. It also has plug and play high-speed USB 2.0 connectivity. The webcam is tripod ready thanks to a universal clip that fits laptops and LCD monitors as well. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the box, we get some literature in the form of a user guide. This should help you get started with understanding the various functions and get started with using the product. We also get the web camera itself. The front has a protective film on it that we can remove. We can see that it has a orange and black color theme with some orange highlighting on the top and bottom. The camera is right in the middle, and right here we have the inlet for sound because the microphone unit is underneath that. Behind the camera there is an hinge that can be used to adjust the tilting, and it can be configured to get you perfectly in the center. We also have this universal clip with some soft finishing on the inside to protect any device that you mount this camera on. The hinge is quite tight and robust and should end up giving this camera a pretty secure fit around whatever you choose to fit it on. Coming to the cable, we can see that it has a black round cable, so hopefully it should not tangle up too much. The cable is approximately 55 inches long, and the cable splits up into two at the end. One of the interfaces is a USB type A and the other is a 3.5mm audio jack. So this was the unboxing of the Hopepe HD web camera. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.